I'll explain the concepts of directory in Linux. When working with directories in Linux, you can perform various operations. Let's start with directory creation. To create a directory, you use the mdir command. In the diagram, the directory node is represented as directory, and the corresponding command for creation is depicted by the node labeled create. For example, if you want to create a new directory called new directory, you would use the command mdir new directory. Now, when you execute the command, it doesn't produce any visible output in the terminal. However, to verify if the directory was successfully created, you can use the ls command to list the contents of the current directory. The read node represents the ls command. After executing the command with ls, you should see the output displaying the existing files and directories, including the newly created new directory. Next, let's move to the concept of updating or renaming a directory. To update or rename a directory, you can use the mv command, which stands for move. In the diagram, the node labeled update represents this operation. For instance, to rename an existing directory called new directory to old directory, you would execute the command mv new directory old directory. Similar to the directory creation command, the mv command does not produce visible output. However, to verify if the directory was successfully renamed, you can again use the ls command to list the contents of the current directory. The output should display the updated directory name. Lastly, let's discuss directory deletion. To delete a directory, you can use the mdir command. As before, the mdir command does not produce visible output. To verify if the directory was successfully deleted, you can once again use the ls command. If the directory was successfully deleted, executing ls old directory should result in an error or no such file or directory message. So, in summary, the diagram demonstrates the concepts of creating, reading, updating, and deleting directories in Linux using the mdir, ls, mv, and mdir commands respectively.